Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and other for Hindi vision person. Hi viewers, I am Abu Talib speaking in front of you from class 3. We are perform about illustration. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Other for Hindi vision person. I am Abdullah Ahmed speaking. I am a son of Saint English and now we are perform about a illustration. We can see fishermen. The fishermen have river. Fisherman is very good. The fisherman's son. The fisherman's son catch these one fishes. The net. This net is bamboo net. I like bamboo net. A fisherman's dress color is white and green, and fisherman's son dress color is light green and light yellow. This fisherman backside many trees. The tree color is green and brown, and I like fish. I eat fish. So that's all my information. For the next picture. Now I would like to request my friend Abdullah, please perform. We can see a shopkeeper, and shopkeeper is see three student. Student is a boys and one student is girl, and boys school dress color is white and blue, and girl school dress color is only blue, and shoes color is yellow. And we can see a bookstore, and pen is curry bookstore, and shopkeeper is C, and boys and girls joining. That's all my information. Stay with me for my next video. Bye.